Hi guys, welcome to another video with me here at the Aspiring Home Cook. Today we're going to look at a quick and easy recipe for a beautiful coconut chutney. Now this chutney is very different from my previous coriander and coconut chutney, which is more of a sandwich spread. This particular chutney I used to serve up with South Indian treats like Idlis, Dosas and Vadas. Let's move on and start with the recipe. This recipe is fairly simple and requires just very few ingredients. You're going to need about half a cup's worth of tightly packed in freshly grated coconut, tamarind the size of a walnut, and one chili. You're also going to need some salt to taste. We'll start off by prepping the tamarind first. Soak the tamarind in some water for a couple of minutes just to let it soften. Now, I use seedless tamarind that you find at any Indian grocery store, but before I can actually process the tamarind, I like to make sure that there's no stray seeds, fibers, or skin left there. So just using your fingers, mash that tamarind together, and if you find any seed fibers or pieces of skin, discard that. Now, the next step is adding all your ingredients to your blender. In goes the grated coconut, followed by your chili, roughly chopped, and about half of the tamarind pulp and water. We're going to reserve the rest of the tamarind pulp and water, and once we've blitzed all of this together, we're going to check and see what the flavor of the chutney is like. At that stage, if we feel the need to add more sourness, we can then add the rest of the tamarind. I'm now going to add a little salt to taste. I'll pop the lid on and blitz this until it becomes a nice coarse paste, just like so. If you feel the need, you can add a little water to the chutney ingredients just to get the blender going. Now at this stage, taste your chutney for seasoning and add more salt, sourness in the form of that tamarind water that we'd reserved, or spice by adding another chili if you'd like to. And give everything a blitz once again till it is all well incorporated and starts resembling a chutney. Once everything is blitzed together, have a look at the consistency, and if you're happy with how thick or runny the chutney is, you're ready to serve it. I feel that at this point I just need to add a tiny touch of water to make it just the way I like it. So I'm going to pop in a little water, about a tablespoon's worth, and blitz it again. And that's it. This is how quick, easy and simple it is to make a beautiful chutney to accompany any South Indian treats like vadas, idlis or dosas. So take the chutney out into a little serving bowl and serve it with your favorite treats. As always, I'll leave a link to the complete recipe in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Don't hesitate to share this with friends and family. And I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. And until then, bye!